Good morning. Today's pre-market news. There's no crash landing expected on the bourses, but weakness is likely to be the order of the day as investors grapple with news flow, especially from overseas. On the local front, the currency will be in focus. The rupee is expected to weaken further after dropping to an intraday low of rupees 60.59 rupees to the US dollars on Friday unless there is some active intervention. The government is reportedly moving to improve its relation with RBI ahead of a possible coordinated effort to stem the rupee slide, says a report. Eurozone finance ministers will review the progress report on Greece. Portugal has patched up its fraying coalition government, and it looks like Greece will reach a deal with lenders that should ensure its bailout cash keep flowing, says a report. June Consumer Price Index (IIP) data for the month of May and June export and import data are what investors will check on the local front. Reliance Communication (RCOM) is set to demerge the company's real estate assets. A new company, Reliance Properties Limited (RPL), would be spun off to unlock value. RPL will be listed separately and the existing shareholders will get one RPL share for each RCOM share held. On the global front, China trade, BOJ policy meeting, rate decisions in South Korea, Thailand, Indonesia and Malaysia are on the cards besides the Fed meeting. Investors in the Indian market will wait in anticipation for the quarterly results which will roll out later in the week. Infosys will be in special focus here after the return of Narayana Murthy. US oil futures for the August contract rose $1.98 on nearly 2% to settle at $103.22 a barrel. The National Stock Exchange will launch a new index, LIX 15, today. The index will consist of 15 stocks drawn from the CNX 100 index. Overseas investors sold over Rs 4,500 crore from the Indian debt market in the first week of this month amid concerns over depreciating rupee. The government may cap LIC's investment exposure in a listed company to 25% of its equity after the insurance regulator raised concerns that the proposed 30% limit would increase the risks of policyholders besides triggering the takeover code, says a report, even as LIC proposes to invest nearly Rs 2.5 lakh crore in both equity and bonds this year. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend selling M&M July futures below Rs 960 for the target price of Rs 930 with stop loss placed at Rs 975. Derivative strategy for the day. Short Hind Petro Bank July futures below Rs 248 for the target price of Rs 236 with stop loss placed at Rs 253. That's all for today. Thank you.